Guys, we're gonna do this fairly quick. This in the box. We just released this collab with Cookies and LXE. Burner put it out. It's made by GreenCo Science. And honestly, as soon as I saw this come out, I knew I needed to get it because, I mean, come on. Oh, pretty good product. I haven't tried it yet, but that's what we're going to do here for y'all. We're going to open it. I haven't seen many reviews on it, as hence to why I'm making a review on it. For some reason, there's a lot of people that have gotten the regular black one, and they have claimed to really like it, so I decided to go ahead and try it out myself. Let me get to focus here. I'm going to pull that off, get into a little cap, which is pretty cool. The pen's on one side, the charger's on the other. It's pretty gangster. Nothing the rest in the tube. I guess we don't get instructions. Maybe if I wait a little bit. Of course, your vape pen. I'll size it up a little bit. This is an iPhone XR. I'll get you. Pretty heavy, nice grip, nice white, you know what I mean, definitely stands out. That would be the dabber. I've seen these rings before, sometimes they mess up, but I think for the most part it's made pretty well, and if that does mess up, I'm sure that rubber ring could be replaced. I'm guessing this is a ceramic bowl. Just to keep, I guess, everything, all the concentrates inside as well. And then you got your normal 5 vaporizer battery. So I mean, this is pretty clutch when it comes to on the go and just wanting to do your normal things, but I definitely think it's worth the buy. Right now you can get 20% off. Really can't complain about something like this, so this is pretty cool. Please like and subscribe, leave the comments. It's a nice styrofoam protected case, but yeah, I won't be using this as much, maybe only for traveling, but I definitely wanted to add this to the collection, so definitely worth it, definitely good buy. If you haven't heard about it, go look it up. Marketed by Burner, made by GreenCo. So